Servo mobile phones are known for their unique designs, multi-SIM support, and practical features that make them stand out in the feature phone market. Whether you need a backup device, a travel-friendly option, or a phone with long battery life, Servo offers a variety of choices to meet your needs. To make your search easier, here are the top 5 Servo mobile phones you can consider. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Servo I16 Pro mobile phone. There's a certain charm in a phone that is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, yet powerful enough to handle essential communication needs, and this mini-flip device delivers exactly that. Designed for simplicity, portability, and practical functionality, it's perfect for seniors, travelers, or anyone who wants a compact phone without unnecessary distractions. Its foldable design not only protects the screen and keypad but also gives the satisfying tactile feel of a classic clamshell phone. The 1.77-inch HD screen, though tiny, is surprisingly clear for viewing messages, contacts, and menus. Big buttons and intuitive navigation make calling and texting effortless. Dual SIM card standby ensures you can manage 2 numbers simultaneously, which is ideal for work and personal use without needing multiple devices. Despite its small size, it packs 32 megabytes of RAM and 32 megabytes internal storage, expandable via micro SD card up to 16 gigabytes, providing room for music, documents, or basic multimedia files. A rear HD camera allows quick snapshots, while FM radio and a music player keep users entertained on the go. Additional features include an LED flashlight for emergencies, speed dial for quick calls, and a blacklist function to block unwanted numbers. The Magic Voice feature adds a fun twist to calls, and Bluetooth connectivity allows wireless accessories, making this tiny phone surprisingly versatile. The 1000 mAh lithium polymer battery provides reliable usage for several days depending on activity, and Type-C charging ensures convenience and compatibility with modern chargers. Despite its diminutive size, it weighs just 80 grams, making it extremely portable without compromising functionality. A 3.5mm headphone jack adds convenience for wired audio, rounding out the device as a practical companion for everyday communication. This mini flip phone excels in combining portability, durability, and essential features into a pocket-sized package. It's ideal for anyone seeking a dependable, simple, and fun device that covers the basics efficiently while adding a few entertaining extras. Pros: foldable, dual SIM, Magic Voice, LED, flashlight. Cons: small screen, limited storage. Number 4. Servo X7 Pro mobile phone. There's something delightfully unconventional about a phone that blends practicality with quirky features, and this device embodies that mix perfectly. Designed for users who need reliability, entertainment, and a few fun extras in one gadget, it stands out as a versatile companion for everyday life. Its dual SIM standby allows you to manage 2 numbers effortlessly, while the foldable design and compact form make it both portable and easy to carry. The 2.8-inch screen with 240 by 320 resolution provides clear visuals for calls, messages, and menu navigation. Despite its non-smartphone operating system, the phone supports audio and video playback, making it a capable entertainment device. Music playback, FM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity allow users to enjoy media and connect to wireless accessories with ease. A rear camera provides basic photography for snapshots, while a 3600 mAh detachable battery ensures long-lasting usage without frequent charging. Type-C charging adds modern convenience to this otherwise classic feature phone design. What really sets this phone apart is its unique extras. A built-in small fan keeps you cool during hot days, while a side expandable fill light strip doubles as a mini desk lamp for reading or working in dim environments. Magic Voice adds playful sound effects during calls, and the blacklist function blocks unwanted contacts, adding practical safety. Auto call recording ensures important conversations are never lost, and the 400 contact phone book with SMS storage makes communication organized and efficient. Weighing 253 grams and built with a sturdy plastic shell, this phone feels solid in hand while offering surprising versatility. Its combination of essential functions, long battery life, and unusual extras like the fan and fill light make it much more than a typical feature phone. It is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable communication device with unique entertainment and utility features built in. Pros: dual SIM, big battery, magic voice, built-in fan. Cons: large size, basic camera. Number 3. Servo A50 Pro mobile phone. There's a satisfying simplicity in a phone that combines classic flip design with practical modern features, and this device delivers it beautifully. Compact, lightweight, and foldable, it fits comfortably in a pocket or hand while protecting the screen and keypad. The 2.4-inch HD display offers clear visuals for calls, messages, and media, ensuring readability without straining the eyes. Its design feels thoughtful, with a folding angle of 180 degrees that is both ergonomic and stylish, making it easy to carry and use throughout the day. Dual SIM standby allows you to manage 2 numbers simultaneously, making it ideal for work and personal communication without juggling multiple devices. Speed dial functionality further enhances convenience, letting you call family or friends instantly without searching through contacts. A rear high-definition camera captures quick snapshots, while music and video playback ensures entertainment is always accessible. The phone also supports automatic call recording, letting you keep track of important conversations effortlessly. Practicality extends beyond communication. The phone includes a strong LED flashlight that can be activated with a single side button press, perfect for nighttime use or emergencies. Vibration alerts keep you notified discreetly during meetings, and a blacklist function blocks unwanted or fraudulent calls for added peace of mind. The Type-C charging port ensures compatibility with modern cables, making charging straightforward and efficient. With 32 megabytes RAM, 32 megabytes internal storage, and support for memory expansion up to 16 gigabytes via TF card, there's sufficient room for media and essential files. The 1,350 mAh battery provides long-lasting power, enabling extended standby and usage without constant recharging. Additional features such as a calculator, calendar, alarm clock, games, and Bluetooth enhance its functionality, creating a device that is both practical and enjoyable to use. This flip phone perfectly balances simplicity, reliability, and essential modern features. It is ideal for anyone who wants a compact, durable, and versatile device that keeps them connected, entertained, and prepared for everyday life. Pros: flip design, dual SIM, LED flashlight, speed dial. Cons: basic camera, limited storage. Number 2. Servo F24 Pro mobile phone. There's a certain excitement in holding a smartphone that manages to be compact, powerful, and versatile all at once, and this device delivers on all fronts. With a 3.5-inch HD screen, it offers a crisp and clear display that makes texting, browsing, and multimedia playback enjoyable, even on a smaller device. The Android 8.1 system ensures a smooth and intuitive user experience, giving access to a wide range of applications while keeping operations simple and efficient. Dual SIM support allows seamless switching between 2 numbers, ideal for balancing work and personal communications. Connectivity is strong, supporting 2G, 3G, and 4G networks, which ensures fast internet access for social media, email, or video chats. The 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage, expandable via TF card, provides sufficient space for apps, photos, and multimedia while maintaining smooth performance across everyday tasks. Photography and video capabilities are practical, yet impressive for a device of this size, with a 2-megapixel rear camera and 2-megapixel front camera supporting high-definition video calls and snapshots. A 2,500 mAh battery ensures the device lasts through a full day of use, and Type-C charging makes replenishing power quick and convenient. Additional features like GPS for accurate positioning, Bluetooth, and multimedia playback add versatility, making this smartphone a reliable companion for both work and leisure. Beyond connectivity and performance, this phone incorporates thoughtful tools that make life easier. Functions such as calendar, alarm clock, calculator, recorder, and social interaction apps are designed to keep daily activities organized and efficient. Rich sound effects, one-click lighting, and shared network functionality enhance communication and utility, while its compact size ensures portability without sacrificing capability. This smartphone strikes an ideal balance between portability, functionality, and performance. It is perfect for users seeking a modern Android experience in a smaller, manageable device that doesn't compromise on essential features or connectivity. Pros: dual SIM, compact design, 4G connectivity, HD camera. Cons: limited storage. Number 1, and the winner is Servo F25 Pro mobile phone. There's a distinct sense of satisfaction in a smartphone that packs essential modern features into a compact and manageable size, and this device delivers exactly that. With a 3.5-inch HD touchscreen, it provides clear visuals and smooth touch control, making browsing, messaging, and app navigation simple and enjoyable. Running on Android 8.1, it offers a pure, intuitive experience while giving access to the Play Store, allowing users to download apps and customize their phone to suit daily needs. Dual SIM support ensures seamless switching between two numbers, ideal for balancing work, personal communication, or travel. Connectivity is versatile, supporting 2G, 3G, and 4G LTE networks, so internet browsing, video calls, and social media are fast and reliable. The MTK 6737 processor, paired with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage, keeps multitasking smooth, while expandable memory via TF card allows space for photos, videos, and applications. The 2 megapixels rear camera and 2 megapixels front camera provide basic photography and video calling capabilities, ideal for capturing everyday moments or staying connected visually. A 2,500 mAh battery ensures reliable daily use without constant charging, and the Type-C interface makes powering up quick and convenient. Additional features such as Wi-Fi hotspot, GPS for accurate navigation, FM radio, and a rich array of Android apps enhance the device's functionality, making it suitable for both work and leisure. Compact yet powerful, this phone also includes thoughtful tools that enhance usability, multi-language support, password unlock, and practical functions like alarms, calendars, and calculators help keep daily life organized. Despite its small form factor, it delivers a complete smartphone experience with long-lasting connectivity, multimedia support, and practical convenience. This device is perfect for anyone seeking a manageable, durable, and fully functional smartphone that balances portability with essential modern features. It is ideal for users who want the convenience of Android in a compact and efficient package. Pros: dual SIM, compact design, 4G connectivity, touchscreen. Cons: basic camera. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.